Kajing don jong ki kenhon ka badon dak jing thmu ban ai kam ajam ki khun samla da ka ba ai ki jinghikai lan ki training ba kin nang ban seng kam la jong khnang ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot bat ban sedang ya ka kam da ka ba yang hala ki jong ki jan kala long ka jing kerku ka ba khrau ya ki samla ki ba kwa ban trei namar ka jing bom don ya ki lat kilenti ban yok kam sarkar ke Gsta Solution Training Academy kabari ka wei na ki slam ai jinghikai ya ki khun samla ki ba kwa ban seng kam la jong da ka bai ru da ki jinghikai klem da don kam ban siu badro hadin gijing pendep bi ki training kene ka kenhon ka ai ru da ki tiar gitar khnang ba kin la ban sedang he ka kam ka ba ki la pendep ya ki training jongki kini ki training ki ba ki khun samla ki wan ban sha hi kai ki kenthop ya karokom khai pateng ka sina jing sina ka sujan ka than jing than ka shet jing shet ka tray mystery bat ki we ha ka singi toding jong ka tayo kata ha ka henry trek no pra arjar arab sau ke Gsta Solution Training Academy kala penlong ya ka felicitation program lane ke jingpun ku buram da ka bai da ki certificate sya ki shispa sau plai ngut ki samla kan thei bat chenrang ki bala pendep ya ki jingsha pentebit da ka bashim jinghikai na ki no hikai ki bala bu da ka Gsta Solutions Training Academy ha ki kam ba pher kat kum ka jingkwa jong ki nong sha hikai hagni ka program ba ai jingpun ku buram ya ki te ki samla ki bala la ban pendep ya ki te ki jingsha hikai la don lang u ADC East Khasi Hills District USDO East Khasi Hills ka director jong Gsta Solutions Training Academy ka Heilin A Dingdo bat ka director jong Jiva Hospitality ka Simran Vaswani lembat kiwe laban ka daw khandian ba ka ni Gsta Solutions Training Academy ka dek institution ka ba free ya ki khna kum ka jinghikai ban sina jingbam kumno ban sina lai jingsna dak ba pron kam da ki shet jingshet ka tray mystery bat kiwe kabala bay tengka da ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society bat ki bakwa ban pentibit ilade kila ban lej penrung kerteng ilade syagi day training baper ka head office jong genek academy ka don halaj kra nong rimba block 3 bat yagi training laju penlong hakeleng ki district jong jelah
kabani ai dengan Gsta Solutions Training Academy ringkat bat ka MSS DS Meghalaya State Skills Development Society training bat ni ai ni nong healthcare ni ai ki craft bakery assistant electrician kitchen snacks ni kai ki bikin shop furniture bamboo furniture machine that their board party trainings terus ni dia ada certificate distribution buat PE hadiah juni kita startup tools they craft bakery ni ai oven but electricians drills traditional snacks ni ai gas stove buat version ini startup tools dia menyerap kita nak ada training kami ramai buat yang kelab macam ini tepat dia buat nak kena menjoin cucu ini training apa jarap society dunia berawai ni ekonomi dunia berawai ni kita berkai bulan kam dan jam bulan kam sarkar dan ini training sehingga apa semua menemukan join buat ship ini company enjoy free training startup
kumno kerja training center tu kaya attach ba aku kaya tie up ke government
kini training center dia Shillong empanel ke government ibu ini pun di don bagi hapan pendap nang berlaban dekat bagi di don 28 centers set up in Nongpoh state ada different village di value ini but di shine even training in centers
kan ngut ki students ki ba payo certificate mental sing
she's part like sample life
she's part
life
kadon nem kadon gajing siu baki khna ki haban siu gani ka kini
training free of cost
investments the shine scheme and the ami ganyan SCN tapi ibahan pang business SCN mo patandro the company invest ibu lagi scheme ya ano scheme na kamu DCIC government department secretary so and then one important thing is to plan your business well you have to make a proper business plan how to reap returns how to earn profits okay and then you should also have this unique selling point PE ni serve ni beliau ni maka ki buat hari ni activities ni skills berilah bagi nang bertanya buat mah bagi dikiri lah buat mah. There's so many things that you'll be doing, earning. Most people will also be doing the same thing. So what is your unique selling point? You have to be different a little bit to attract the clients, okay? You have to search something you should make, something unique about your particular business. Okay. And then, to end this speech, I would also again quote another word from the Bible, Proverbs 22:29. It says, "Do you see someone skilled in their work? They will serve before kings. They will not serve before officials of low rank." Kita lagi berpilih kita berpilih mereka kamu benang berpilih banyak. Kemudian kita makin train kan yang diberi kan ki officer berat-berat, makin train. Pada isi, pada chief minister, pada prime minister, semua. Saya kata yang dia jenayah macam. You have to keep on working hard. Keep on learning more skills also. Okay? In everything you do it as you do for the Lord. If you do it for yourself, sometimes you don't do it well. If you do for others, you don't do it well. But you know that God will judge you one day. So you do it, whatever you do it for the Lord. So I wish you, dear trainees, the very best for your future endeavors. With God's blessings, you will achieve whatever goals you have set for yourself. Thank you and all the best.
The Director of Gsta Solutions and Ms. Synod, and most of all to all the young trainees for being here today. It's a privilege to be part of your graduation day today, and my special thanks also goes to the trainers and the entire fraternity of Gsta Solutions. So thank you once again for inviting me to this felicitation program today. And before I want to proceed further, I would like to quote a very inspiring quote from the Bible. I'm not here to preach, but this quote always helped me, in my entire journey of my life. It's from the book of Jeremiah, which says that, "For I know the plan I have for you, says the Lord, not to harm for you, but to prosper you." Okay? Now don't let it include bynta jong pan penjol iki himrevan. In Khasi, how do you say prosper? So this quote, is very, very important for you to ponder. You are here today because God has a plan and a purpose for you. I'll speak in Khasi as well as in English for the benefit of all of you to understand. All of you are here for a reason. Not everybody is born to be doctors, not everybody is born to be lawyers, to be teachers, to be government servant, right? But we are all born with different abilities, with different potentials, with different skills. Okay? So this is God's greatest gift to each and every one of us. That's why we are here today. Okay? So you should take and accept this. Alright? So all of you are here and you are graduating today. Today marks a very important day in your life. Why? Because today you will be receiving a certificate. But now you are all skilled workforce. Do you agree with that? Papan kulit yati halong kasap kapong kaba ublay na ay kapang yati. Dia pilihan burung bat pediang dia kata. Kumbalaong Papidan na kajong kasap. Some of you are bakers here. Some of you are electrician here, right? Don't give a shed, give a nampan shed in a different way. Traditional snack, training, right? You have come to this training because you have the skills and the ability, but and you have just come forward to polish so respect that. You're here for a reason. He will prosper you, he will not hamper you. So the no come about it right. Today come about break lamang pang na kabanta jati, but the day ka kam kabadal kurang. Mo, dignity of labor ni on. Respect ka kam kabau play la ay kasap ipi matray. Mo, pidon ya ka jinang ka jintit ka jing kuno ban pinya ya ka kam kajong pi shekman. But today kung mga ong ipi marks a very important day in your life. Kabakit sa iya, kapit siya ya ka kasap ka kong kabau play la ay ipi. But what is the next step? Kaya ka sinjam ka ba? Kamanbot. What is the next step that you have to do? You have to proceed further. It does not end today. Today is just the beginning. Mataras ni kadaykan ka jing sedang ka jong fi. Banya identity, bakindiyeng ka lang ki jong ki jang. Remember that. More. Today, you are a certificate as well as your startup. You are excited? You are excited, Paro? But it does not end here today. Come you are a certificate and startup. You should make use of those startup. More. Pinhapan pinong kang bahaya kita. Ye ay ye you dip mabon na plan yung maybe you may not have the capacity or the ability to mansdang no come immediately. Maybe your financial problem and you problems. Because if I the jogi ye need startup. Kalau mansdang no come immediately. And I say immediately means from tomorrow start. More. Sedang no come. Ni I didn't come here. Let me be very blunt. More. Hindi ba ni I sngewbha matin sedang come here? No. Matin yen matin sedang kan kamay. Matin yen lagi jong kita. That is the main objective of Skills Meghalaya. I believe all of you know what is the objective of Skills Meghalaya.
Married training apa? Traditional snacks and savory maker. Nikong siya na ay belajar dari SSDS kaba bilang penelitian ba ya kan bilang peneliti ban tenyo editing training na kita jadi kena kanta makin di pon bangsa iba buat di mima banyo ya ikamai itu ni ay kubay ba kami dimana training dalam komando yang kalau itu ni but kain museum but idea yang ni kuno bangin penonkan yang kamila udah pakai kamila le ada training but kain itu yang ka Bynta solution training academy ka alam ka institute ka penyat berkontribusi yang ini di scheme di bawah SSDS but hadu awalu ma boleh yang kai ini but kita nak berpeluang yang kena kalau kabajak berdamping maka bertajuk di lingkungan yang ada berlingkungan bayi lo ini bagaimana